Welcome. In this video we will see how to make Kali Linux operating system bootable. Kali Linux has two options in the default boot menu which enable persistence, the preservation of data on Kali Live USB drive, and second, a cross reboot of Kali Live. This can be an extremely useful enhancement and enables you to retain documents, collected testing results, configuration, etc. Persistence means that all data changes that take place while you are using the system, they'll be saved on the USB or pen drive that which you have made bootable. To make use of USB persistence option at boot time, you will need to do some additional setup on your Kali Linux Live USB drive, and in this video we will cover that. First of all, reason for using Live USB drive with persistence. You can preserve data on Kali Live USB, you can install some addition packages, you can take no space of your hard drive for it, you can take your OS to any PC you use all of your system resources, example CPU, RAM, GPU, etc. Now let's begin. Let's open a browser and search Kali Linux download in Google. You will see that kali.org official website download link. Click on it. Now download the latest Kali image file. I will click on Kali Linux 64-bit OS. You can go for 32-bit if you have 32-bit operating system. It's downloading. I will just fast forward this process. Downloading is complete. You can see the image file of Kali Linux operating system. Now I want Power ISO tool. I will go and search for Power ISO tool to make it bootable. So I will type Power ISO, click on Power ISO official website. Here I am downloading 32-bit Power ISO version. After downloading, install it. I have already installed, so I will just open it up. In administrator mode, you see that Power ISO main window. Click on Tools tab, select Create Bootable USB Drive, select image file which we have downloaded, the image file of Kali Linux operating system. Plug your USB drive. You should have minimum 8 GB. Sometime I did it on 4 GB pen drive, but sometime it may work, but it's better to go for 8 GB one. Refresh it. You can see that my pen drive is listed here, that is SanDisk USB. And finally click on start button to create bootable USB. It will take few minutes, so here I am forwarding the video. You can see that writing USB drive completed successfully. So this is what you have to do to make a bootable Kali Linux operating system. Let me restart my system. On your PC boot, it will give you few of the option, that is live, AMD64, live AMD64, fail-safe, live forensic mode, live USB persistence, live USB encrypted persistence, and install. I will go for live mode. You can see that it is running and the Kali Linux system loaded up. So this is how you make Kali Linux bootable in a pen drive. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video.